Hey there, beauty lovers! Today, I'm diving into a topic that might surprise you: the worst oils for your health and skin. First up, let's talk about vegetable oils. I'm looking at you: soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, and canola oil. These oils are super processed and packed with omega-6 fatty acids. Now, omega-6 isn't all bad, but too much can throw off the balance with omega-3s, leading to inflammation. And inflammation is no friend to your skin or your overall health. Next, we have hydrogenated oils, also known as trans fats. Think margarine, shortening, and partially hydrogenated oils. These are the villains of the oil world. Trans fats crank up inflammation, mess with your skin's repair process, and fast-track those fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, they're terrible for your heart health. Moving on to palm oil. Especially when it's refined, palm oil is loaded with saturated fats. This can spike your LDL cholesterol levels, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress. Over time, that means aging skin and potential internal health issues. Now let's talk about cottonseed oil. This one's a bit sneaky, often packed with pesticides and harmful chemicals because of how cotton is grown. It's also high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, you guessed it, amps up inflammation and can speed up skin aging. Then there's grapeseed oil. While it's got some healthy polyunsaturated fats, it's also high in omega-6. Overdoing it can mess with your omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, leading to chronic inflammation and premature aging. And finally, rice bran oil. Marketed as a healthy option, it actually oxidizes quickly due to its high polyunsaturated fat content. Oxidation means free radicals, and free radicals mean cell damage and aging. So what oils should you favor? Extra virgin olive oil is a superstar, rich in antioxidants and omega-9 fatty acids. It fights inflammation and supports heart and skin health. Avocado oil is another winner, with healthy fats and vitamins that boost skin elasticity and protect against damage. And coconut oil, in moderation, offers some benefits with its saturated fats. The key here is to opt for unrefined, cold-pressed oils and keep a good balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids in your diet. That way, you can keep inflammation at bay and maintain that youthful glow. Got any questions or tips on oils? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty and health tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous.